What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs and I got a killer RV for you today. I mean guys, come on, I don't let you down. I bring you the best RVs out there, and today this is a Redhawk SE model, but what's even better is this is on a Chevy 4500 chassis. I mean, there is so much about this motorhome that is cool, and now we made it even cooler with a 5-inch suspension lift amongst some of the other things. First of all, let's start in the front of this and talk about what we did. And before we completely get into that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, go ahead, smash the subscribe button. You're gonna just leave a comment if you have a question, right? And if you love seeing motorhomes, head over to Big J's RV, because I'm walking through all kinds of motorhomes, showing you guys the best motorhomes on the market today. Well, look at this thing. This is the Chevy 4500 chassis, and what is really nice about this is we are running the Predator tube winch bumper on the front of this. So let's talk about some of the benefits of adding a winch bumper to your Chevy. Well, the first big thing is, of course, if you ever got stuck, you're gonna have 2 recovery points on the front of this, which is going to be really nice. It's also going to allow you to put a 12K winch tucked underneath there. And let's look at this. Look how close this bumper is to the grill. It's not a million feet. It's not a dive platform. The whole thing is really clean and tight to the vehicle. And that's a big deal to us at Weldtec Designs, because we want your vehicle to look amazing and not be, a million feet long. Now, of course, additional lighting is always a plus, and this is gonna give you 2 lighting options. You're gonna be able to run 2 lights up on the top of the bumper, as well as the ability to run a low driving light. And the low driving light is one of my favorite lights. I feel like I drive with that the most when I'm on the highway. I want more lighting. It's definitely a big plus. Now, if you are a Chevy fan and you have a van, whether it's a motorhome or just a normal van, know that you can also add an additional light behind the grill with our grill light bar mount. So there it is. This is the whole bumper. You're gonna have the skid plate. Oh, and one other thing, maybe you want to run a front receiver hitch on the front of your vehicle. This bumper is gonna allow you to do that. It bolts right onto the bottom of this winch plate as well. So that way you can add a front receiver hitch. Maybe you wanna put a bike rack up on the front of it, a Joe hauler, whatever it may be. This bumper is also going to allow you to do that. So now let's talk about some really cool things. Right here we have a BFG. This is a 235/85/16 tire. Look at how sexy this looks. A ton of clearance in here. And then this is just the factory wheels, powder coated black. Killer look. Didn't have to spend all the money on an upgraded wheel, giving you still that really nice look. Now, the way we were able to fit this 235/85/16 tire on there is a 5-inch kit. So we're running our cast spindle as well as our 2-inch aluminum leveling spacer or lift spacer in there, giving us a ton of room in that wheel well. That thing is awesome. And I want to tell you about one other product coming so soon. Is if you have a classy motorhome, maybe you've put a lift on it, maybe you don't, you want a different step, we have some new step options coming. So make sure you guys subscribe and follow us even on Instagram, all the other fun places, because we love showing you guys all the new products on there. So as we come to the back of this motorhome, again, you're gonna see those dually tires, the 235/85/16s, all powder coated and blacked out. Now with this in the rear, we got rid of those unhappy springs that were completely frowning, put in happy springs with a ton of arc in it. All the lift is built into that spring. So not only are you going to get the lift, but you're going to get a lot better ride. And now here's the big thing. When you do a Weldtec Design suspension kit, you're not having to do upgraded sway bars and sumo springs and track bars and airbags and all the other BS that everybody's going to try to sell you on. This is a one and done suspension setup. In the rear, we finish this off with a set of Fox shocks to give it that amazing ride. And now when we're almost done, there's still something else, is we added our rear backpack. Here's another thing, my pro tip. Most RVs do not come with a spare tire. So if you want to be able to have a spare on your motorhome, this is gonna be one of the easiest ways to do that, and this is a backpack. What's nice about this backpack is it allows you to run this big full-size spare with easy access to the rear of it. On a lot of these as well, we run the folding table mount that goes behind the spare, and then it gives you the option to run a box. Now you can see this customer supplied us his own box, and what's nice about this is it's gonna give you a lot of additional storage for whatever you may wanna put, tools, dirty shoes, whatever it may be. There it is, and you can lock it. So this is gonna give you the platform to be able to mount whatever style box you want. Of course, we sell larger boxes too, but just giving you guys a ton of options. You don't have to get it all from us. However, our goal is to give you everything you need at one place to completely outfit your motorhome. So that's it. Other than like, dude, this guy Aaron is awesome. Obviously, he's a Raider fan, and I'd tell you that I'm not, but I'm just not really a football fan. So, you know, there he is. I'm sure he's gonna have some fun taking this thing to some Raider games. But this thing is cool, and now it's all blacked out. So there it is, the Raider Nation Chevy Express 4500 motorhome. But this thing is awesome. I would love to hear what your favorite thing about this is, and if maybe you're thinking about the Chevy Express platform, there is a ton of benefits in this platform as well. But that's all I got. My name's Jeremy, this is Weldtec Designs, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.